Hello guys, it is Ari Phil down here, and today, um, I'm gonna do a unboxing review. It's not gonna be a Beyblade, but this, FireWorks. It will be, I'll save this for my July 4th special, or my anime and all that. So, it's gonna be for my anime stuff. So, yeah, and basically, it will be also for my July 4th special. It will be also for my some different types. So yeah, basically I'm gonna take a look inside, and we got, come on, come out. I don't have all day. Oh yes, look at that, a lot of bombs. Oh my god, this is like little bombs everywhere, man. Oh my god. So yeah, and yeah, I'm gonna put this back in, and yeah, that's basically it. And this is my unboxing of FireWorks. It's Pop Its. It's Pop Its. Pop some glass. So yeah, I'm gonna test it out. I wanna see how it does before I screw up or blow up my dad's screw. So yeah. I'm gonna spin my Beyblade. Alright, I'm gonna test it out. So now I'm gonna put it. No, wait. So okay, I'm gonna spin eyeball. I want to see if you can handle the pop. Okay. Whoa! That was one. Oh my god, no, I do not want that to blow up. Okay, so that was basically it. It just popped. So out of nowhere, I don't know why. So hold on a minute. Are you serious? Not on my dad's computer. No. Right. Okay. Oh, right. Oh, nice. Let me get another one. Let me aim it at the baby this time. One, two. Oh! Nice. Okay. Oh, man, Eyeball's handling the explosion. I don't know why, but God, that's just sick. You barely knocked them out with one explosion. Hold up, wait. Dang, I missed. Give me a moment. I gotta save these. Oh! Right on the Beyblade. Hold up. One moment. And oh, nice. What we do? And sure. Dang, let's see. Oh my God! Whoa! Without a single. So yeah, guys, this was on my unboxing of FireWorks. Stay tuned for more. And I hope I don't get reported for this, because a lot of people were saying, "Hey, why does that kid have fireworks? Bull crap." Let me just rip this in half. I do not want to blow my fingers off. Oh yeah. So yeah, guys, if you like this unboxing, stay tuned for more. And yeah. So let me put this out. This is awesome unboxing. Like, you gotta admit, it is. Now on, like, it's in Trap Trying to know he needs the rest, so yeah. So basically, whoa, that was a pretty hard hit. In. Whoa, 1 ounce. Oh, right there. Right there, dude. Oh my god. Wait. Nice. Nice hit. Oh, other hit. He's taking a lot of hits. In the face! My god, that is a good Beyblade. He just took a lot of hits without getting damaged. I mean, look at that. Sick. It will be tested on the July 4th special. So, yeah. And it could be used as, like, some sort of combos. Like, street fight and all that kind of bull. You know, that kind of crap. So, yeah, now, my Beyblade. I want to see you can survive it. So, whoa. He survived well. That's one down. That's one hit. Wait. Oh! Nice. Oh, real nice. Oh. You can barely just get hit like that. What up? Oh, nice. Wait, let me get a little closer. And nice one. Man, Leon's taking a lot of hits. I can't believe this. Oh, not that. Wow. Leon's taking a lot of hits without getting damaged. Nice. You know what? This time, oh, nice. Real nice. Look at, oh, God, got him. He's got being hit real good. Look at that. Without taking a hit, that's good. Oh. Got real nice. Ooh, real nice, I tell you. So, yeah. Record, Leon survived, a lot of fireworks. So, yeah. You can use these, well, going on to prank people, or you could barely use it, anime like Hero Factory or Bionicle, just like Hero Factory Kitten did, maybe. Yeah. So stay tuned for more. Until next time, like this video, make you better, and share it. Spread all that crap, but dislike it, and subscribe. And as I feel now, sign out. See you guys later. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to follow me on Google Plus, Skype, Facebook. Soon I gotta delete my Facebook because if you see my recent post on Google, Obama's gonna use DNA on people, create Bobbleum giants again, and also said he's gonna unleash terrorists from prison to a atomic bomb on. Let's see. Yeah. So if you look that video up, go on my Google account, you'll see where it's been at. So yeah. As I Bill and I sign out. See you guys.